What's up? It's your boy Leroy Says So, and we're here with a reaction. This one's called Funny TikToks. Whole squad will be wheezing at daily memes. All right, so we finna check this out. See if it's funny. If it's not, I mean, I don't. It's just not, you know. Go.
You know what happens at the red lights.
Good thing it's green.
I don't know. I think that's Travis Scott reference.
in, please.
What is the point of this button? Like, I'm literally clicking it and it doesn't even do anything.
There's a lot of music in this compilation.
I've been sitting here for like 30 fucking minutes.
Mm-hmm.
And my teacher hasn't even fucking joined. And some Indian motherfucker just...
Oh man. Not again. His mic's still on.
Yes, sir. Officer, you know what food you over today? I'm sorry.
Imagine trying to do that to the cops, bro.
Oh, hey, Karen. How's the kids? My kids are doing great. How are your kids? Yeah, my kids are doing great. She's actually floating around here somewhere. I don't know where she went. Holy, that's nice. There you are, Mom. We go now? Stop, be nice. I love Chick-fil-A. I came up with this new thing where you take 2 French fries and a chicken nugget and you put it together to make a sandwich.
I did that kind of stuff all the time.
Try that.
Not at Chick-fil-A though.
I go to Burger King legit every single
Burger
day
King is
and get
trash.
Whoppers and eat all of them by myself. Like, I just
That's
love it.
gross.
If I do not consume at least 1 Burger King calorie every single day, it's not a good day. Burger King makes my stomach go woohoo. Like, I just
Who's honestly answer me?
diarrhea.
Who still eats Burger King? It's
Really?
trash.
I never blow up after eating Burger King. Like, my stomach actually loves it. Can we please go? It's literally been 3 hours. I know. I wish I could stay longer, but you know, I have my kid with me.
This one's
Guys,
kinda
I'll
long.
catch you around. Nice seeing you. Catch you later.
I wasn't that funny.
I forget which picture.
The blue one with the Volcom sign?
God, jeez. Right. Exactly. The hell?
Yeah, the red one.
Seems like a prank. Like when she came back, he's like, "Yeah, the red one." Yeah. Whoa. I like whoever that. I like the hair. You saw that?
And then you need to brush your teeth, but your face is still wet.
What the fuck, you the crazy motherfucker? Oh shit, come I show you, come here.
I like awake.
Dad, this some first grade shit. I no cussing, you dumb bitch. What is this even connected to? Okay, hold still. What are you doing? Your tooth come out yet? I think you got all my teeth out. Oh my god. Oh, we do it. Wait, no, what?
Oh man.
Kirk!
That was funny. That was actually funny.
There was a cute kid in my class, so naturally I run to the kitchen. I'm like, Brooke, look at this cute kid in my class. So we run to my room, and my mic was on the whole time, and we're standing there over the screen. And she's like, oh wow, he's cute. What's his name? Hunter. Says his name out loud. So we're standing over the screen, saying how cute this kid is. And then she goes, oh, that's Alexis. She was in my Swahili class. And the professor goes, Kyla? And the comment at the bottom goes, your mic's on. I slammed it shut so quick, I'm still shaking.
Hey, my friend taught me some Spanish. Shake it.
Okay.
Buenos dias.
Buenos días.
Hola, pendeja. Meaning, hola. Do you have churros? You know, like the long things with the cream inside?
Are you talking about churros?
Yeah, churros. Okay,
I don't think I've ever had a churro
What
before.
do you have, except for you?
So at the current moment, I only have cheesecake and flan.
What is flan?
What is flan?
Oh, well, I just have like the choco flan, the one with the chocolate.
The chocolate cake.
Yeah, but what is flan?
So no, just yeah, it's for
I'm going to ask one more time. What is flan?
Yeah, what's flan? Maybe she's saying one? I don't know.
Flan. So big
Caramel.
fat.
Caramel.
Okay, so caramel big fat.
How I found out my stepmom was
Yo,
pregnant,
did you know
but not with
gelatin
my
is
dad's
made out of like
baby.
animal
We have
fat
some big
and stuff?
news. What do you
The more you
want?
know.
You always
Yeah,
say
listen,
I'm not part of your
yeah.
family, so don't be disrespectful. Okay, anyway, go ahead and tell her, Patrick. We are adding a new member to our family. Sarah is pregnant. Oh, I figured. You guys were being really loud last Tuesday. What? I was out of town last Tuesday. What's going on here? I can explain. You better. Is this not my baby, Sarah? You better tell me now. Ella, did she have someone over last Tuesday? Be honest. She told me not to tell you, but yes. She's lying. Sarah, I can't believe you. But since you're saying it's mine and taking you to get a DNA test or any
What is this,
test
man?
later.
Okay, I get it. Like,
We're done, Sarah. Leave my house, you
next
piece of
TikTok,
shit.
please. That's going crazy. Oh, I seen this guy. I seen this guy do this kind of stuff.
Hi there.
And
So
that's a good
sorry,
idea
your
because
house is so impressive, and you're actually really beautiful as well. I'm curious, what do you
she's,
do for a
she's
living?
decent looking.
Oh wow, thank you. I'm actually the CEO of this household.
Wow.
I was
Okay,
about to
all
say
right, thank
something,
you.
but I forgot what. I got distracted. Like my watch.
Your house is extravagant,
Thank you.
and I just wanted to know, what do you do for a living?
I'm
She
a
doesn't do
finance,
it.
but I got really lucky with Bitcoin.
What? Okay, wow. Congratulations.
I was about to say, no, her dad does all the shit. He just walked
just
up
really
to that
curious, what do
dog
you
and he
do
was
for a
just
living?
calm.
We sell
Okay, what do you sell?
human organs.
Okay.
And ice creams.
All right.
I'm joking, no ice creams.
No.
We don't sell ice creams.
Okay. All right.
Human
Babe, are you
organs.
serious right now, dude? Are you serious?
Tell my girlfriend went through her phone.
I just went through your phone.
Uh-oh.
After everything I've done for you, that's
In
what
my
you're
personal
doing?
opinion, if you're in a
Are you
relationship,
serious right now?
your significant
act
other
like you
doesn't
don't know.
need to or shouldn't have to go through your phone. You know what I'm saying? And if you
What do you
like,
think I
you
saw on
don't
your
want
phone?
them to do that, then just like, no. You know?
If you keep lying to me, it's just gonna make things worse. What do you think I saw on your phone right now?
What are you talking about?
Babe, I just went through your phone. What do you think I saw?
I don't know.
This compilation is not all that funny.
That's it's like
I'm gonna
that.
give it like
That's
a
how we're
couple
doing each
more
other.
minutes, but it's not all that funny so far. What happened? Can't believe you.
I seen you DoorDash Chipotle earlier in the morning.
DoorDash.
Why would you do DoorDash Chipotle without me? Who? First of all,
That
who's
laugh.
Chipotle in the morning? You know I love Chipotle, man.
That lot.
In class today, the professor took attendance by having us say our name, our major, and a song that hypes us up. We took turns in alphabetical order, so I was one of the first people to win, because my name is Cam, with the C, not a K like a fucking weirdo. Me, being the honest man that I am, said Picture Me Graping by NLE Choppa for my hype-up song. My professor goes, Picture Me Graping by what chopper? I was like, what chopper? The NLE kind. NLE Choppa, Uncle Chop, the fuck you mean? There were people laughing, and I don't know if they were laughing with me or at me, but if they're laughing at me, I don't give a hoot, because if you don't fuck with Uncle Chop, I don't fuck with you. Then I heard everyone else's answers. They were like, oh, Eye of the Tiger, anything by Metallica, anything by Led Zeppelin. Are you 35? One kid tried to be funny and say Gangnam Style.
Some old songs
at all.
are some
It made me
classic
nauseous,
shit.
quite frankly. At the end, the professor was like, Cam, Picture Me Grapin' was the only one I didn't know. I guess I'll listen to it and get back to you. Oh no. I wonder what her favorite line will be. There's so many options. Her ass fat. I'm grabbing, gripping. I'm gonna squeeze it till it pop. Maybe that'll be it.
I actually don't think I listened to that song all the way through before. I seen her before. Amy, whoa. She's had some pretty OD cups. I like them. I don't know what it is, but I like them. What's she doing? Oh. Alright, so after this one, we're going to cut it short because this is not all that. Dang. Just, Alright, maybe we'll watch one more. Officially Davis. That was kind of funny. Just at the net. Why is he walking like that? Snotty nosed 5-year-olds.
I know what that is. But if it jumps on me, I'm gonna be running. Ooh,
That a rat?
What you want? Don't jump. Don't jump. Ooh, hell. Oh.
Alright. Because, I don't know. It just wasn't all that funny to me. So we're gonna cut it short. And it's your boy, Leroy Said So. Like, comment, subscribe, send this to your friends, your mama, your aunties, your grandpa, your neighbor, the serial killer down the street, anybody you want to, man. Subscribe, comment, let me know what I should watch or react to next time. And check me out. Peace.